8,848 meters high, the tallest mountain on Earth. But 50 million years ago, the rocks at the very top were sitting on the bottom of an ocean. So how did they get up there? The answer is C.U.F.S. Collision, uplift, folding, skyward. First, collision. 200 million years ago, India was not part of Asia. It was an island racing northward across an ancient ocean called the Tethys Sea. For millions of years, marine creatures lived and died in that ocean, their shells and bones sinking to the seafloor and slowly turning to limestone. Then, about 50 million years ago, India finally caught up with Asia. The two continents collided. Next, uplift. Here is where something remarkable happened. When two oceanic plates collide, one usually sinks beneath the other. But India and Asia were both made of thick, buoyant continental crust. Neither could sink. With nowhere else to go, the immense pressure had only one option. It forced the crust violently upward. The ancient Tethys seafloor, the limestone, the fossils, all of it thrust skyward. Then, folding. The collision was so powerful that it crumpled the solid rock like a slow-motion car crash. The layers of crust buckled and folded over each other, doubling the thickness of the Earth's crust in this region from around 35 kilometers to a staggering 75 kilometers. The more the crust thickened below, the higher the peaks rose above. And finally, skyward. The collision did not stop 50 million years ago. The Indian plate is still pushing northward today at about 5 centimeters every year. Because of this relentless pressure, Mount Everest is still growing, rising by about 1 centimeter every single year. GPS satellites on the summit confirm it. Collision, uplift, folding, skyward, C.U.F.S. Together, these forces built the roof of the world. And the remarkable part, if you climb to the summit today and pick up a walk, you will find fossilized seashells. The highest point on Earth was once the bottom of an ocean.